Hey, it's Derek here with Browning Camping. We're going to go over our Glacier 4-person tent. We're going to show you how easy it is to set up and also go over a couple features along the way. So whenever you get the tent, you can take it out. Set everything to the side. Here we have the bottom of the tent. After your poles are put together, you can lay them in an X style across the tent. You can put your end in. Now with this style tent, it's a pin that will actually go into the bottom of the pole. Don't be afraid to bend these poles. They're designed for the shape of this tent. Put your So after your tent poles are up, you can find the center clip. It will have a different color webbing on it. On this tent, it's brown. You clip that on the top pole. And then you can go down the sides with the rest of the clips. So after your tent's set up, you can grab all of your ground stakes. Whenever you find a nice level spot, you can go around to each side and put them in the webbing loop. So on this tent, you'll have 4 corners, and there'll also be one in the middle on each side. So after that's all staked out, you have the added fly that you can add on. If you have bad weather coming in, just added protection. Has double vestibule, so you have one on each side. You can throw your gear underneath there instead of having everything inside your tent. So on the rain fly, there's Velcro underneath at each corner. Be sure to put that on there for added protection. Keeps the fly in place. Then you bring it down to the corner, and we have buckles to where it'll actually clip in. Now with your remaining ground stakes, you can pull out the vestibule and put it in the outer webbing. So this is for whenever you open up the door, it will still be able to move upward. And you do the same for the back. So the nice thing about this vestibule is whenever you're not using it, you can roll this up and it's got 2 toggle hooks with webbing on the back side where you just lock that in and it stays up and out of your way when you're using the tent. Inside the tent there's a gear loft that clips into the tent for storing small items. It also has a vented roof, so if it gets hot in there you can let the breeze blow through. Another nice feature with this vestibule is on the sides you can unclip your 2 corners So on a summer night, if it gets really hot in there, you have mesh windows down here that allows for more airflow. So this is our Glacier 4-person tent from Browning. If you have any other questions or wanted to check out some more specs, check us out at browningcamping.com.